Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to name projects and save projects with labels so that they're easier to find as we begin to create more projects. To start, there are two ways to name a project. When I select a new project in Easel, I'll get a window that opens up that says, what am I making? And then the option to name my project. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and just type in name project and then click on create, and that will be the name for my project, and that'll be the title for it. If I want to change that, or let's say I just created the project and didn't give it a title, I can go ahead and click on the name already and change it to something else. And click on save. And once that's saved, that will be the new name and title for my project, and I'll be able to search it that way. I can also add labels to my projects, which allow me to search for them in my project window when I first log into Easel, or as I'm kind of using Easel. And so you can add as many labels as you want to your project. These are two that I'd already created, but if I want to create a new one, I can just type in what I want the label to be, press enter, and then if I click on save, that will save my project under those labels. And then when I go here, I can see the labels that I have for my projects, but I can also search those labels here and find the projects with those labels. And that's really great for organization inside of Easel as you're creating multiple projects. Makes it just a little bit easier to find. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.